All right there, boys and girls, here we are, day number 7 of our March Daily Math. Number 1, write the next 3 even numbers. So we got to count by 2s, right? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Okay, so everything has to end 2, 4, 6, 8, or 0. So 22, skip 23, we're going to go 24. Skip 25, go to 26. Skip 27, go to 28. All right, now we're going to do the same thing, except it looks like we're doing odds now, right? It says write the next 3 odd numbers. So 47, skip 48, and then we're going to write 49. Skip 50, write 51. Skip 52 and write 53. All right. Draw a shape with a perimeter of 18. Remember, perimeter is like the fence, the rim. Basketball rim is like so big, right? And then the basketball goes inside the rim, but the rim is the area around the outside. So, here we go, perimeter of 18. So every one of these little lines right here is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, so if I draw this shape right here, so that box right there, or rectangle, excuse me, the rim, how many, like if you want to take from here to here is 1 step. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 steps, or the perimeter, the fence around it was 18, okay? What is the area of the shape? The area is the area inside. So how many boxes? How many of those little squares do you see? Well, I see 3 rows of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I see 3 rows of 6. That's multiplication. 3 times 6 is 18. Very good. So what is the area of the shape? 18 square units. It just so happens to be the same, right? Not always, though. We could have made it different, and it would not have been 18 and 18. So it could be another answer besides that. Show Finn where these fractions go on this number line. So let's see, 0, and there's a 1. So here would be 1 hop, 2, 3, 4, 5, and that would be 6 over 6, and this here would be 0 over 6, right? So there's 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, and 5/6. Okay, so 1/6 goes right here. 4/6 goes right here. And 6 over 6, which equals 1, 6 divided by 6 is 1, goes right there. This is part of a necklace Anne made. There are 32 beads in the whole necklace. The beads follow a pattern. How many noodly looking ones are in Anne's whole necklace? So let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. There's 8 total with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of these things, right? And 1, 2 of the square, rhombus, whatever you want to call them, stripedy things. So this is part of the necklace. Well, there's a total of 8 here, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there's 8 total pieces. But in her necklace, there's 32. So this is just a fraction of her necklace. It's just a piece of it. And it is in a pattern. It goes 1, 3, 1, 3. So let's see. Hey, 8 goes into 32 evenly. 8, 16, 24, 32. So this piece of the necklace is 1/4 of the total necklace. Okay? So if I count this same strip 4 times, I get 32 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's once. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. That's twice. 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. That's 3 times. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. 32 beads for 4 times. It is this exact pattern. So if this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of those noodly looking ones, we can multiply that times 4 sections of the necklace. 6 times 4 is 24, and that would give us 24 beads. So if we counted this 4 times, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's 2 times through. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 is 3 times. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24 is 4 times. We have 24 of those beads. That was a tricky one. It took a lot of time to do, but it's always worth it when we work hard and do our best. So we'll see you tomorrow for day 8. I see some lucky horseshoes.